We went from a 3,000 kilowatt laser to a 12,000 fully automated. What we would normally be able to do in a week, now we can do in probably 4 or 5 hours in one day.
I've been working for Geiser for about 6 years, going on 6 years now. Started working on our old laser, which was a combo laser, a 3 kilowatt. It would just take forever, take a lot longer, unfortunately. But yeah, since we upgraded, this thing's ripping parts out 3-4 times as fast. We've been cutting just about every thickness size you can think of steel up to 1 inch, tons of aluminum, mainly 1/8 inch, ripping tons of quarter as well. Mainly stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel. As far as parts go, we do a little bit of everything. We do a lot of parts for ourselves in-house for our own parts, bumpers, grills, doors, cages, all kinds of stuff. We do a couple of things for some structural guys as well, cutting out a bunch of thick 1 inch and 3/4 inch plates for buildings, and then just kind of odd stuff here and there for the special customers. The support from the guys over at XOVR has been awesome. I've never had support like this on a machine in my life. If there's an issue we run into, we email them, text them, call them, and they pick up their answer. They're there and they can get us a resolution or an idea of a resolution within an hour, typically. Like it's amazing. If not, a tech comes out the next day or the following day and helps us solve the issue we have. But yeah, it's been awesome. Second to none, best service we've had from a company like this.